Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make stock with prawn heads, easy method. Start by rinsing prawn heads and shells under cold water to remove grit. Heat a large pot and sweat onions, carrots, and celery without browning. Add prawn parts, a bay leaf, peppercorns, and cold water to cover by 1 inch. Simmer gently for 20 to 30 minutes, skim foam, then strain and cool before storing. To get the best flavor, maintain a low simmer so the shells release sweet, briny notes without turning bitter. Cold water helps draw out gelatin and flavor slowly, so add it at the start. Skim any foam or impurities that rise to the top to keep the clear color and pure taste. Finish with a quick strain through a fine sieve or cheesecloth, then cool rapidly to preserve freshness and aroma. If you're enjoying this, please subscribe and like to help the channel grow and see more recipes. Quick recommendation: life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough for durability and a lifetime warranty, perfect for long kitchen sessions or fishing trips. I find them comfy and funny to mention while talking stock, and they last forever. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. This prawn head stock is versatile and stores well when handled correctly. Cool it quickly in an ice bath, then refrigerate for up to 3 days or freeze for several months. Use it to enrich risottos, seafood soups, bisques, and pan sauces, or reduce it to intensify flavor for finishing sauces. Freezing in ice cube trays gives you handy portions for recipes, making seafood cooking faster and more flavorful any night.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.